You would not believe the president's reaction when he saw a live crocodile come to the 66th Independence Parade to come and march. What? Even the voter regional minister was shocked. He was clinging to his teeth like, I can't believe what I'm seeing. This unbelievable police lady was still standing over an hour in the sun after a drone moving at about 5,000 RPM hit her in the face and cut her up, bleeding all over the place. But she was still there and went through the whole event. Damn, that is hard. This soldier fell face first into the concrete floor, 8 feet from a vehicle, a moving vehicle, and got up as if nothing happened and kept going. Is it real? What will you do if your car breaks down in the middle of the road? What about if your vehicle breaks down in the middle of a parade where the whole world was watching? You will not believe your eyes if you saw what this soldier lady did the moment her vehicle breaks down in the middle of a parade. Before we get into the meat of all this, please, I need to do a little victory dance. This is the whitest white I can get. Voter Region, we did it. We hosted the world for 1 day. Anyway, just 1 day. But come on, we did it! Let's go! Academy, they were doing their gymnastics and then did their things, were moving about, and then one guy, I don't know whether he slipped or he miscalculated or something, and he jumped trying to catch the bar and he fell. This camera got it, this angle also got it. Well, my own camera, unfortunately, I didn't get it well, but this camera got it. Look at this angle. Watch this closely. See? Let's slow it down a little bit. That was the big fall, and I was quite scared, and he got up immediately and kept going. Boy, I was scared for him. I thought he was going to die. But he kept going. That's the thing about the military. They don't give up. They're just relentless. Whew. And I didn't go with my drone for 2 main reasons, but I'll leave the second reason to only those who know the insiders why I didn't send it. But one of the reasons is that the amount of protocol and then the things I need to go through for your drone to fly there is ridiculous. I want to enjoy the event. I don't want to stress myself. There were 2 big drones. Okay, wait. Okay, yes, 2 big drones and 1 huge drone and 2 other tiny ones. So there are 2 Phantoms. One belongs to GTV and then the other one, I'm not quite sure. Phantom 4 Pro. Of course, I mean, I'm a Phantom guy, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, the Phantom rules the air, boy. And 2 Mavics. You see those small, tiny ones that you hold in your hand? The Mavics, the drones I never like. Yeah, there was that one, and there was the Inspire. Oh, the king of the air. This Mavic, tiny Mavic, fly gentle and just stay in your lane. I don't know who knocked who, but the Mavic and then one of the Phantoms went head to head, like sword fight. Chow. The Mavic's head got chopped off, like it was just decapitated, like that. In the course of falling, it went straight into a police lady's face, like it was bad, it was nasty. And the sad thing, I don't know whether it's sad or relentlessness or whatever it is, or great or fortitude, but when the thing cut the lady, within seconds, she composed herself as if nothing happened. I was like, damn, that was tough. What shocked me most was when they were marching past my camera. Look, no one told me this. My personal camera captured this and see the lady was bleeding, like there was blood in her face and everything. It's like, you had that on you and you were still standing there and nothing? Oh, I'm in love. Please, if you know this lady, tell her like someone is crashing on her, okay? Because she was still standing there and still went through the whole ceremony. Wow.
Sergeant Major, Sergeant Juliana Akowa. The number 9 male police contingent is commanded by GS.
That is why, personally, I don't love Mavics. Come on, I don't love Mavics. They are small, they are tiny, they don't look like drones. I mean, a big boy like me holding the Mavics, it's like defilement. Anyway, that might be a strong word, but, well, that is just me. Don't know Voter Region, we have a bad name when it comes to spirituality and then voodoo and whatnot. Look, this one was a special one. It was a shocker for the Voter Regional Minister himself and a shocker for the president. Like, the president was like, you should see his face, look at him. It was like, he was shocked. He couldn't believe his eyes, couldn't believe what he was seeing. And there was this Zagbetron from Aflau. 3 of them, they came. You know, I did a video about them sometime ago. I think it's somewhere here. There were 3 tiny Zagbetrons. Not even a big one. These were the small, tiny ones. And then the first one came around and was moving about. And then when they raised it, there was this little, like an idol or wooden doll under it. And I mean, that one, no big deal.
There is no individual, no human being beneath what you see. Beautiful display of culture and tradition of the people of the Volta region has nothing, absolutely nothing, to do with voodoo, pure culture and tradition of the people of the Volta region on display.
This is Sakbeto. The chief priest is 43-year-old Agbano Abezo, leading his 15-man contingent.
Well, people were shocked that there was no human being inside because everyone was thinking there was a human being inside, but they raised it. Everybody saw it live and colored. No one. Okay, that's cool. They raised the second one and there were sweets like snacks, candies and stuff.
Thank you very
That's,
much.
Quite interesting.
Akpe.
Togbi fiti ajongaga atolia. Togbi mienye banami.
Try and visit Volta. Everything is now turned into sweets. Akpena.
Fine, but not exciting. Then finally, they raised the third one, a live crocodile. Like, is that a crocodile or an alligator or what? Crocodile, that's what I saw. Came out, like. it wasn't super big, but it was still sizable enough,
Your Excellencies, this
And this is the funny thing. Those who were controlling the thing were scared themselves. Listen to what this police lady said. She said she wasn't scared, but just listen to her and judge for yourself if she's scared or not.
But it's not the best. They're separate. They're overdoing it. It's all
Just watch the expression of the regional minister and the president of the Republic of Ghana. All their faces. Look at them. Like, Like, am I seeing right? Like, I'm pretty sure the president was like, Rebecca, are you sure that thing is real? He would turn to the wife and maybe ask. The announcer kept saying,
beautiful display of culture and tradition of the people of the Volta region has nothing, absolutely nothing, to do with voodoo, pure culture and tradition of the people of the Volta region on display.
Apart from that, everything was good. The march past, everything was really beautiful. The students, Nomahu girls, Ola, Mauli, Adakusinia High, it was all fun. It was all beautiful. Then, there was the demonstrations of, the helicopters, police helicopter. The military came down with a dog, some stealth operation like that, and the whole. It was fun. It was fun. But those three events were quite fun. But please, Volta region, we did it. It's double V visits Volta. Look, a lot of fun things can happen in the Volta region. Yeah, there were a lot of issues about the artist night and then some other things and blah 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 blah. Please, Volta region, we were able to host the world for one day. Hallelujah. We won, Volta. We won. Where is it? We did it, guys. We did it, okay? I'll be having issues or discussions about how the whole thing went later. Probably should do a documentary. I don't have so much footage. After several terabytes of data, close to, several terabytes. Look, I don't know whether we should do a documentary because there's so much footage. I don't know what we'll do with it. We can be keeping it there too. So maybe if you want to see a documentary on the whole celebration, the whole match, or the whole preparation and everything, you let me know so that maybe we'll cook a video for you next time. So, on that note, it's double VV for Visit Volta, Carol Franklin here. And if you like this video, just do one thing, just like the video at the end. Well, if you like, we can share with some friends and all that. But hey, those are the fun things that happened in the celebration. And we'll see what happens. Now that Independence Day is gone, we'll go back to our usual. Our next series will be the review of the festivals that happened last year. We're reviewing the Asogli Festival from the launching or Teyuru to the celebration itself, how everything went. From there, we'll be jumping to Hogbechocho, how the celebration went. We'll go to Peki. We're at, not Peki, Hokwe. Okay, Hokwe Gbizan, how the celebration was, and then the final one at Ziavi. Sure, we'll look at all the festivals and then we'll review them and see what we can do to improve maybe this year's celebration. So on that note, Double V, VV for Visit Volta. I'll see you when I see you. SMA.